What is the reason for constipation? Constipation could have many different reasons. One of them could be an imbalance between the beneficial gut microbiome and the pathogenic gut microbiome, that they're both normally present in the gut lining. However, usually the beneficial bacteria, beneficial microbes are keeping the pathogenic ones in check. When we consume too much processed food, too much processed sugar, food coloring, food additives, GMO products, all of those will weaken our beneficial bacteria, and that's when the pathogenic bacteria are going to rise, and that is one of the causes of constipation. So to avoid that, we have to go for whole food and buy and shop from the periphery of grocery stores, where you can see the fruit, when you can see the vegetable, and you know exactly what goes in your body. And avoid packaged food, avoid processed food, avoid prepared food, and start preparing at home.